Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you want to unsend message in Facebook Messenger and you see this type of message, so this video is for you, because in this video I will tell you how to fix this issue. So please watch the full video and also subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. First of all, go to the settings of your phone and then tap on apps and notifications, and then tap on apps. And here search Messenger app. Once it opens, then tap on storage option, and here clear cache and also clear data, or in your mobile phone it can be clear storage option. So clear this. After that, if this not fix your issue, then you should have to update your Facebook Messenger. So for this, go to Google Play Store and search for Messenger, and here update it. So hope this will fix your issue. Hope this will help. Thanks. Goodbye.